Eh,
700 pesos. How's your day, Tilot?
Lang.
Very good. Thank you for making business. 700, guys and girls. This could be my highest. Hi! How are you all, guys and girls, doing? 700 pesos. I think this is my highest or second. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises. Business transactions, business proposals. Avoid that, okay? Don't engage on that with those sweet talks. Beware and be aware. Thank you so much for these wonderful blessings. And then expand and enjoy. Bye for now.